Here's my Phantom wallet, $4.79 million sitting inside from launching meme coins. Not from chasing, not from gambling, just a strategy that works. Stick around, I'll break it all down, make sure to keep watching. Now, every single time I bought into new meme coins, which I thought I was early, I got completely fucking dumped on. Just like this chart right here. And in reality, I was the one paying for someone else's exit. Then I realized the real winners are not traders, okay? These are not traders. They're actually devers. Which means launching flips the entire script. You are the one in control of your own coin. You risk nothing as a dev. But if you keep trading, you can lose everything. And right now, Bitcoin's breaking highs and Solana is currently pumping. This is the launch window, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make and dev your own coin and potentially make a couple bucks. By the way, this content is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Don't take this video as financial advice. Cap! Now, most people and a bunch of fucking newbies go on Pump.Fun to dev meme coins. But on this platform, bro, it's fucking overcrowded. Too many coins launching every single minute, and most are buried before anyone even notices your coin. And the worst fucking part, you don't even control your own liquidity. So, you cannot even touch your money even if you're up $10,000. That's the fucking worst part. And coming to the point, I switched completely to create tokens.io because here, bro, your project goes straight to Raydium without any delay. It's instantly migrated right away. You will see it on this section right here in the migrate section where thousands of potential investors are looking every single second for coins, and it's live to buyers right away. That's full control, full visibility, and way more profit potential from the start. You even control your own liquidity pool because you create it from scratch. So if you want to become a dev and make some money, bro, launch on createtokens.io. Now, how do you launch and dev a meme coin on this website? Now, with createtokens.io, you've got two different ways. The first way is to build a coin from scratch. So, go on X, Twitter, Instagram, any social media platform, and look for something trending. It could be literally anything, okay, that has like decent views, or I don't know what the fuck. So FaZe really cooked the fuck out of Lacy first thing he's on FaZe. That is good. Donald J. Trump reposted this. It has 21 million views. That's good too. Just anything, right? Then just invent a token name, token symbol, and take a screenshot of the narrative and just put it here. And just like that, your coin is created from scratch. But the second way though is my favorite one because it's the most profitable, the copy trending coins tab. Now these coins are already buzzing on Pump.Fun. All you have to do is copy them here and launch them directly to Raydium, and you will get instant buyers and more profits, all because of the simple fact that all these coins have a good narrative and they're already proven to, you know, attract buyers and to go viral. So I would highly recommend to copy coins to begin with. Alright, no more stalling, let's press launch, make a coin, dev a coin, whatever the fuck, right, and print some money. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to the website, obviously. That's how you manage your coins, do all the transactions, then refresh list, and let's look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna go with the Buzz Life. It has a last buy 4 seconds ago and a $21,000 market cap. So I'm gonna create coin. Ignore the warning from Phantom, it's completely normal, just go through it. So proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be created. All you have to do is just wait. And boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where the market kicks in, adding liquidity so people can instantly buy and sell your token onto Raydium. Now it's fucking easy, okay? The first step is the amount token A. Just click 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. Right under is the token B. Think of it as your starter position. You were the first ever buyer in your own coin. It's not gone, it's stored in the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL and you'll get it back when the liquidity is pulled. So Let me think. I'm gonna put 0.35 Solana, which is a bit above the minimum. And once again, bro, you are gonna get this back at the end. It's just the first buy. So, click pull. Then click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Bus Life coin is on live. Our P&L is at $0 at the moment, but if you click on refresh, now our profits went up to $233, which means people are actively buying our coin. Now click on view on Photon to see the official chart. Now let me go in full screen. Okay, we're getting buyers, bro. A shit ton of buyers. We're already up a couple $100, as you guys saw by the P&L. Okay, it retraced down. Now, oh my god, bro! What the fuck? We're getting so many fucking buyers! Come on, pump, yes! Oh my god! Okay, should I dump the coin? Actually, no, I'm not gonna dump the coin, bro. I'm just aura farming. I'm just clip farming. Now, I'm going to give this coin more time because it has to pump. More and more people are going to start seeing the coin on Axum, on the migrate section. So we have to give this coin more time. Now, it is really bullish. I'm going to be right back once the coin is up. Okay guys, I am back. It looks like we are peaking 4K in market cap. Volume is good, transactions are good. Buy and sell volume is good too. It did peak even higher, so we could have printed more money. Anyways, I'm gonna cash out money. So come back to createtokens.io and then click on the refresh button, right? And boom, I am up $1.8 thousand in P&L. Anyways, if you click on the minus button, do 100% remove the liquidity. As you guys can see, I'm going to receive this amount. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you launch a coin, dump it, and print generational wealth. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom, $1.8 thousand straight inside my wallet.